Hi, Laura Grisham here with Laura Grisham Designs. Today I'm going to do a short video on how to do different petals for my snowflake wreaths. Also, I want to tell you about how you can color ornaments, bells, styrofoam balls, anything you want, any color you want to make your own attachment and interesting things to put on your wreaths. So right now I'm going to show you how to do the 3D daisy petal and add a bell to the end. I'm going to use this on my next wreath, and I thought I'd show you how to do it. Okay, I'm going to bring the camera down now. You get to see my crazy dog. The petal actually looks like this when you're done. This is the side that's normally used on the flower, and that's why it's called a 3D daisy petal. But we're going to be using this side facing outward on our board, like this. I've started this board, and you can see that I have them facing outward. Let me show you how to do that. This particular mesh is 10 inches, and I've squared it, so I've cut it at 10 inches. I'm going to take it, and the curl side is up, and my finished edges are on the sides here. I'm going to take it and turn it into a diamond, and I'm going to fold one corner in, the next corner in, and cross them just like that, so that these are in the center, these points. Okay, then I'm going to take my hand, my right hand, and I'm going to fold this side over on top of this side, and slowly pull my hand out. Okay, and we have this. Now I'm going to take, see where these meet right here? I want to make sure that I catch that, but I'm going to pinch in the middle here, and then I'm going to pinch this side in and this side in, so that I have something that looks like this. Looks like this. I'm going to take a zip tie, and I guess you could rubber band this, but I find that zip tying is much easier. Okay, I'm going to zip tie that, and then I'm going to cut that little tail off just to keep it out of the way. I'm going to take another zip tie and take a bell. These are just from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to insert my zip tie in that little slot there, like that, so that my bell is on the zip tie. I'm going to take my little piece here, and I'm going to run my hand through the center. Okay, I'm just going to run my hand through the center, like that. There's my fingers. This mesh is kind of stiff and crinkly. Alright, I'm going to take my zip tie and go through that. Here we go. And go ahead and zip it just a little bit. And then I'm going to take this center part that's caught up in the zip tie. I'm going to just push this up with my bell up and tighten that zip tie as I go, pushing it all the way up and zip tying right like that. Now I'm going to cut this zip tie, and I have this. Okay, looks like that. Cut my tail off, and they are ready to go on the board. There we go. Let me show you one more time. Get rid of this. Okay. Take our 10 by 10 or 10.5 by 10.5, and we turn it into a diamond, and we take one end and pull it into the center, and the other end and pull it into the center till they're about even. There we go. Put my hand right here and pull this over. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but this stuff is really crinkly. Okay. There we go. We have this. Right. I'm going to take it, I'm going to pinch it in the middle, and then pull this side in, and this side in. And then I'm going to just kind of shift stuff around till I get it to where it looks right. That looks right. A little fan. Get a zip tie. Zip tie that. Okay. Get my bell and my zip tie and go right through that little loop there. Now I'm going to stick my fingers through here. Actually, I'm going to do it this way. Can you see that? How I've grabbed that middle piece? It's separate from this piece. See how that, okay? And I'm going to just grab that. I'm going to take that zip tie with my bell. And grab that. Okay. Now I can slide my zip tie up. As far as I can get it. Here we go. Cut that. And I want to make sure that that zip tie end where I just cut is in the underneath. There we go. So that it doesn't show in my petal. Okay, there we go. And we can cut this off. And these are now ready to go on my board. You can see, and I'll show you in another video why I burned all these holes in this board. But this is the 3D daisy petal. We're using the back side and attaching a bell. I'll see you later. Bye.